What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits kapag ikaw ay BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card holder. Pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee, magkano nga ba yung annual fee, at saka kung paano ma-waive yung annual fee ng BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card. At saka pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano yung possible credit limit ng BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card. Paano ma-waive yung annual fee ng BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card. Magkano nga ba yung spending requirement para mag-initiate na ma-waive yung annual fee ninyo sa BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, BPI Gold Rewards Card. So BPI Gold Rewards Cards, discover a world of endless rewards with the BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Enjoy exclusive perks and premium privileges. Andyan si Madam Ann Cortez, siya yung ambassador ng BPI Gold Rewards or BPI Rewards Cards. Kasi actually guys, maraming klase yung BPI Rewards Cards. May Platinum, may Gold, at saka may Blue Rewards Cards. Itong pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Isusunod ko na lang yung ibang rewards cards ni BPI. So as you can see guys, ayan, easily earn and redeem rewards whether you're shopping, dining, or traveling. Earn rewards points for GCs, gift certificates, miles, and more with BPI Rewards Cards. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits if you are a credit card holder ni BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Travel, shopping, and dining deals. Use your BPI Gold Rewards Cards to shop, dine, and travel for a more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So kailangan nyo i-download yung Oh My Deals app guys, kasi dun yun makikita lahat ng existing promos ni BPI, yung deals nila, ganun. Earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every 35 pesos spend, earn you 1 BPI rewards point. Track points conveniently with Vibe by BPI. View, track, and redeem your points in real time through the Vibe app. So itong Vibe app guys is dina-download din siya, kailangan nyo mag-sign up. Then dun nyo makikita yung existing points ninyo, din pwede nyo i-convert into shopping credits or miles. Maraming choices dun. More reasons to love this card. Enjoy flexible payment terms. Stretch your payment terms up to 36 months as you enjoy real Zero Special Installment Plan or SIP. Buy now, pay later, and additional installment limit with bonus madness limit. Save while you shop abroad. Always use your card abroad to enjoy one of the lowest foreign transactions service fees of just 1.85%. Yung foreign transaction service fees ng BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Get free travel insurance. Be insured for free whenever you travel for up to 10 million pesos when you book your flights using your card. So kapag nag-book kayo ng flight ninyo guys, plane tickets or kung ano-ano mang tickets dyan, use your BPI Gold Rewards Cards para ma-qualify kayo for free travel insurance which is up to 10 million pesos. Redeem rewards your way. With our wide selections of rewards, you can redeem your accumulated non-expiring points for shopping credits, shopping EGCs, dining EGCs, or miles, and more. Get cash anytime. Using your credit card, pwede nyo i-convert yung credit limit ninyo. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 70% of your available credit limit. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin kung magkano yung annual fee ng BPI Gold Rewards Card. Ayan, nakikita nyo, card type principal card. So andyan nakalagay BPI Signature Card, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. So dito tayo sa baba, BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 2,250 per year. Tapos yung first supplementary card nyo guys is naka-waive siya for life. So ibig sabihin yung unang supplementary card kapag nag-request kayo, walang annual fee for life. Pero yung pangalawa up to 6th, second to 6th supplementary card is 1,125. So ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin guys kung paano ma-waive yung annual fee ng BPI Gold Rewards card. So as you can see guys, ito, annual fee waiver program for BPI Gold Rewards card. Waive annual fee. Get your annual membership fee waived when you meet the spend requirements. So ibig sabihin may spend requirement siya. 240,000 pesos annual fee spend requirement. So ibig sabihin yung required spending requirement niya within a year is 240,000. Kapag na-reach nyo yun, maganda kasi mawiwave yung credit card annual fee ninyo. Use your card online or in-store for your everyday purchases para ma-accumulate nyo guys yung 240,000. Automatic for your convenience, automatically computed and the fee reversed once requirements are met. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi nyo na kailangan i-monitor. Kapag na-reach, what I mean is i-monitor nyo yung spending requirement niya. Kung na-reach nyo, alam nyo na-reach, automatic siya guys, i-reverse yung annual fee na binayaran nyo sa credit card ninyo. So, take note lang guys, kailangan nyo munang bayaran yung annual fee kapag nag-reflect. So, bayaran nyo muna siya. Tapos, i-reverse na lang yun. So, ito guys, how it works. This program is open exclusively to BPI credit card holders who receive a promotional SMS via Viber or email from BPI and have an active BPI Gold Rewards cards. Ibig sabihin guys, ano to? Promotional. Pero, most of BPI Gold Rewards cards credit card holders receive this kind of promos na waivable yung annual fee kapag na-reach yung certain requirement. Pangalawa is, annual membership fees of the cards indicated in the communication sent are qualified for an annual membership fee waiver subject to a single or accumulated spend of 240,000 on their next card anniversary date. So yun yung dapat yung tandaan guys para ma-waive yung annual fee ng credit card ninyo. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan naman natin kung magkano yung possible credit limit ng BPI Gold Rewards credit card. So as you can see guys, the BPI Gold Rewards card credit limit is determined by BPI based on your credit worthiness and financial profile and can be increased upon request with a potential bonus installment credit limit of up to 100% of your regular credit line through a bonus madness limit. So minsan guys, magkakaroon ng madness limit si BPI which is 10 times 2 yung existing credit limit ninyo. Credit limit changes. BPI may change your credit limit at its discretion. It's all BPI's decisions guys kung i-increase yung credit limit ninyo or hindi. Based on its credit assessment, guidelines, policies, and procedures. So may mga guidelines before kayo i-increase ng credit limit ninyo. Checking your balance, you can check your card balance real-time through BPI Online Banking. Kasi yung credit card natin guys is nakalink siya sa BPI Online. Increasing your credit limit, you can request for a credit limit increase via online banking. So pwede kayong mag-request kung kulang yung credit limit ninyo. So ngayon guys, to answer it accordingly, yung credit limit natin sa BPI Gold Rewards cards is hindi siya pare-pareho. Unang issue ng credit card, madalas yung binibigay nila is minsan nasa 50,000, minsan naman is nasa 40,000, depende siya guys. Ang kailangan nyo gawin guys is alagaan nyo siya, gamitin nyo siya ng tama, iswipe nyo siya, tapos kung magkano yung statement of account nyo, bayaran nyo agad siya. Huwag na huwag kayo magkakaroon ng late payment charge or late payment fees kasi nagiging red flag kayo sa bangko. So dapat alagaan nyo yung credit card ninyo kasi ini-email yan guys. Kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo sa statement of account ninyo kung magkano yung statement balance, bayaran nyo siya. Kasi hindi po fixed yung magiging credit limit ng credit card natin. Sine-check nila kung qualify ka ba sa ganitong amount, kung hindi. Tapos, kung qualify ka na, i-increase nila yung credit limit, umaabot po ng 2 million yung credit limit ng BPI Gold Rewards cards. Tapos, yung minimum naman is 30,000. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!